One thing I've learned over the years is that creating a home you enjoy doesn't always come from big projects or expensive updates. Sometimes it's the little seasonal touches that make everyday life feel a little more special. Summer always has a different feel to it around our house. The kids are home, our routines look a little different, but I still like to take the time to make a few simple seasonal changes that make our home feel a little more welcoming. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're an oldie but a goodie. And now let's go ahead and hop into it. If you know me, then you already know that I like to start each season with a clean home, but honestly, we've been so busy lately that I haven't had the time to tackle a deep clean myself. Between work and keeping up with 3 kids and everything else we have going on, it feels like there's always something that needs my attention. And one area I really wanted to focus on was our dining room. I knew I wanted to add a few summer touches and put together a simple seasonal tablescape, but before I could do any of that, the space really needed a good deep clean, and that's where HomeAglow came in. HomeAglow is a platform that makes it super easy to find and book a cleaner based on your needs, your schedule, and your budget. The booking process is super simple. All you have to do is go to HomeAglow's website, choose the day and time that works best for you, and it instantly will show you all the cleaners that are available in your area. I like that I was able to look through reviews and photos before booking. It really gave me a peace of mind knowing exactly who I was choosing. And our cleaner was so good, you guys. I didn't have to worry about tackling dust bunnies, baseboards, or any of those deep cleaning tasks. And another thing I appreciate is their Forever Clean membership. It makes it super easy to schedule recurring cleanings, so you don't have to keep remembering to book the appointments. This is really great for busy families. And because I had the extra help during this busy season, I'm able to really focus on things that I want to spend my time doing, like putting together this super cute summer tablescape and just adding a few seasonal touches around the house. And one thing I've been learning over the past few years is that I don't have to do everything myself. So when I can delegate and get a little extra help, it allows for me to spend my time where it matters most. And that's exactly what HomeAglow did for me. Having the house cleaned gave me the opportunity to focus on the fun part, which was adding a few seasonal touches, enjoying the space, and creating a home that feels ready for summer. And y'all, I am obsessed with the way this tablescape turned out. I think it is perfect for summertime. I'm loving all of the blue, and I mixed and matched some pieces I already had with a few new finds from Hobby Lobby. The little lemon bowls and plates are new, and I think they add the perfect seasonal touch. If you're looking for something fun to add to your collection, definitely check those out. And if you want to take cleaning off your plate this summer and give yourself a little extra help around the house, definitely check out HomeAglow. You can use the link in my description box, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for just $19. And that way you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your clean space. One of my favorite ways to bring a little bit of summer indoors is with fresh flowers. I love how they add color, texture, and a little bit of life to the space. And really the best part is you don't have to spend a lot of money. Most of the time, I just add an inexpensive bouquet to my Walmart delivery, and even something that simple can make a room feel more fresh, inviting, and seasonal. So I just love to make a simple bouquet. It's one of the easiest ways to give your home that summertime feel without having to completely redecorate or make any major changes. And you guys already know I love a good candle, and another way you can really bring summer into your home is with different scents. I love to switch out some of my candles for more summery scents, and it's such a small change, but scent really does completely change the feel of a space. I tend to reach for lighter fragrances this time of year, and there's just something about lighting a candle that makes the home feel a little bit more cozy and welcoming. When it comes to bringing a new season into your home, I like to focus on small changes. You guys know I love to decorate, but I like to keep things simple. I don't feel like you have to completely redecorate your home every season to make it feel fresh and updated. One of my favorite things to do is swap out florals and pillow covers. It's such an easy way to really bring in those seasonal colors and funky patterns without spending a ton of money. And honestly, everything in my living room right now is something that I already owned. I'm a big fan of reusing what I have and making small changes, but still making a big impact. If you're looking to make your living room feel a little bit more like summer, try incorporating brighter colors, fun patterns, fresh greenery, and natural textures. Those little details can completely change the feel of a space without requiring a major makeover. These pillow covers are from Etsy, which is one of my favorite places to find unique patterns and seasonal designs. I love using the pillow covers because you can swap them out throughout the year, and then you just use the same insert, which I get the insert from Amazon. And I'll link the pillow covers and the insert in the description box below. And y'all, I totally lied. I did get these beautiful olive trees this year. I got them off of TikTok shop, and y'all, only $100. I could not believe the price, and they are so beautiful. They're 7 foot tall, and for $100, I was like, you cannot beat this with a stick. So these were definitely a find that I could not pass up. And I really feel like it just brought a little bit more pizzazz to the space and just kind of pulled everything together. And y'all, I love the simple changes that were made to the living room. No major updates, but they really help bring the season into the space and make it feel a little lighter and brighter for summer. So now that all of my summer touches are in place, there's only one thing left to do. And if you've been watching me for a while, then you probably already know what it is. Y'all know I had to mention the fruit infused water. It would not be summer with NitraaB if I did not mention it. I have been doing this for years, and you guys, it's still one of my favorite little things, especially during the summertime. I usually just use whatever fruit we have in the fridge, and I add it to a pitcher of water. You really can't go wrong. Berries are great. Citrus fruits are always a good option, and sometimes I'll just mix in a few different things just depending on what we have on hand. My personal favorite has always been cucumber and lemon. I feel like the cucumber gives the water a really fresh taste, and y'all, when you pair it with the lemon, it's so refreshing, especially during those hot summer months. It's simple, it's pretty, and it just makes me want to drink more water throughout the day. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it gave you some tips on how to make your home feel a little bit like summer. Don't forget to check out HomeGlow. I'll make sure to add a link in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.